I've decided to build an extractor for my spray booth gazebo. So I bought this industrial fan off eBay. I'll put a link in my description. And I bought the spray booth filters, and I've cut them to size to fit in this cage that I found. I didn't know quite what to do, but I think I'm going to put 2 filters side by side in a bigger box, just with 1 fan, and we'll see if it works. If not, I'll have to buy another fan. So I'm going to build a box, mount them in, and then we'll give it a whirl and see if it works.
Feel like I'm drunk when I'm sober. You've been turning me inside out. Know that I've lost my composure. It's like I've been stuck in a blackout. Long night, cold sweat, I'm shaking. High time, low points, you take me. Missed calls, long texts, I'm slipping away too deep. Are you drifting? I feel a change in me lately. I'm all worked up when you're not around. You might think that I'm crazy, but I can't see straight when I'm falling down, 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 No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. Lost in the love hangover. Every day you've been sticking around. Wishing that I could hold you, but I'm thinking you'd turn me down. Long night, cold sweat, I'm shaking. High time, low points, you take me. Missed calls, long texts, I'm slipping away too deep. Are you drifting? I feel a change in me lately. I'm all worked up when you're not around. You might think that I'm crazy, but I can't see straight when I'm falling down, 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 No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down.
So I've got the box made. You should have seen that on the time lapse. I'm going to call it a 10-minute box. It looks like somebody could knock it up in 10 minutes really. It's not the best, but it should do for what we want. And if it works, this might just be a Mark 1 version. I might make a better box later on. So I'm just going to screw these down now. The cage is on, and then get the filters in and get the fan on. And should be good to trial it out then.
No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. When I'm falling down. When I'm falling down. When I'm falling down.
'cause only you can take me to the top. You take me to the top. You take me to the top. You take me to the top. 'Cause only you can take me to the top. You take me to the top of the world. You take me to the top. Take my hand, we are going to save the world tonight. When we dance together, there's no turning back. You bring me back to life, 'cause only you can take me to the top. You take me to the top. 'Cause only you can take me to the top. You take me to the top. 'Cause only you can take me to the top. Until the end of time, I need you here tonight. 'Cause only you can take me to the top. 'Cause only you can take me to the top. Take me to the top. The rhythm of the party never gonna stop. When your body is on the dance floor, I can see the stars. Today I'll be the best you ever had. We make it right, 'cause only you can take me to the top. 'Cause only you can take me to the top. 'Cause only you can take me to the top. 'Cause only you can take me to the top.
So that's it all complete now. The only thing that I think's disappointing with the fan is that just flops about a bit. There's a screw hole, but you can't screw it down because of how they've wired it up. Yeah, a bit poor. But anyway, so we won't know what it's like till we actually give it a proper try in both. But so it's a variable speed fan. What I was saying was, it seems to work okay, seems to work good, but we'll have to wait until I spray something in the board and see what it's like. But I've just noticed, which is annoying me, I've put that grill on that way with the slots going up, and that grill on that way. We'll have to change that round. That's annoying. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, not about woodworks, I'm not very good. Yeah, ask away. Thanks for watching.